One last one I want to show you. Solve the formula for W. You might recognize this. This is actually the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, where L and W are length and width, and P is the perimeter. So solving this formula for W would mean maybe we're given a host of lengths and a host of perimeters, and we want to know what the W value would be. So idea is to get W by itself. Right now W is being multiplied to 2, and then that result being added to 2L. So hopefully you're thinking you have to do something here. The furthest operation from this W is this 2L quantity. Let me show you a trick here. If I take 10 and add 3 to it, hopefully you say that's 13. But what if I subtract 10 from it? So if that's 13 minus 10, that gives me 3. This subtraction of 10 took care or undid or undoes this number out here, this 10, or undoes this, I should say. And I'm left with this. So the idea here is to let's isolate this expression first by subtracting off 2L. So what that looks like is this, 2L plus 2W, and if I subtract off 2L, this subtraction of 2L undoes this 2L, as does this with this, and what I have left is 2W. But I got to subtract 2L from this left side. So that's pretty good. I mean, that was pretty good in one shot. Now it looks pretty good. And so hopefully you're thinking, okay, I got to undo this multiplying here, which can be written this way. And to undo that multiplying of 2, we simply divide by 2. So I get W equals P minus 2L, all of that divided by 2. All of it divided by 2, so got to signify using that. Again, you might be thinking, it might be best for you to think of the fraction equivalent P minus 2L, all of that divided by, 2. Sorry about that. 2. So those guys are equivalent, either one.